Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest and most up-to-date way to open SVG files right inside Figma using a handy plugin called Convertify. By the end of this video, you'll not only know exactly how to bring your SVGs into Figma, but you'll also understand why this little trick can save you a ton of time and help keep your designs crisp and organized. So whether you're a new Figma user or just haven't tried working with SVGs before, stick with me and I'll walk you through every step. Alright, let's dive in. First things first, before we go any further, make sure you already have your SVG file ready. This could be an icon, a logo, or maybe an illustration you grabbed from another tool. Just save it somewhere on your computer where you can easily find it, like your desktop or a project folder. SVGs are great because they're vector-based, so they'll scale perfectly in your Figma project without getting blurry, which is a huge plus for high-quality design work. Next up, we're heading over to Figma. Once you have your project open, we're going to launch the Quick Actions menu. You can do this in two ways. Either click on the little search bar at the top labeled Actions, or even faster, press Ctrl+K on your keyboard. That shortcut is super helpful. Ctrl+K is basically your gateway to every tool and feature in Figma, so it's worth remembering if you want to speed up your workflow. Now with the Quick Actions menu open, start typing Convertify. The reason we're looking for this plugin is because Convertify makes importing and optimizing SVG files in Figma almost effortless. It takes care of all the messy stuff in the background. If you haven't already installed Convertify, you'll see it pop up under Plugins and Widgets. Simply click on Convertify and hit Install. Don't worry if you haven't used many plugins before. Figma's installing process is really straightforward. Just one click and you're ready to go. Once Convertify is installed and ready, go back to any open area on your Figma canvas. You can just right-click anywhere. It doesn't matter if it's a blank spot or next to an existing frame. From the menu that appears, hover over Plugins, then go down to Manage Plugins. This is where you'll find all the plugins you've installed. Either scroll through your list or just type Convertify into the search bar to bring it up quickly. With Convertify selected, you'll see there's a drop-down menu of features. What we're looking for here is Import and Optimize SVG to Figma. Go ahead and click on that option. Now you'll be prompted to select your SVG file, so just navigate to wherever you've saved it on your computer, select the file and confirm. And that's it. Convertify will work its magic, and in just a few moments your SVG will appear right in your Figma workspace, optimized and ready for you to use. Sometimes, depending on the complexity of your SVG, like if it has lots of layers or effects, this part might take a couple of seconds, so don't worry if it doesn't show up instantly. Once it's there, you can move it, resize it, or start editing just like any other Figma object. So to recap, SVG file ready, open Quick Actions with Ctrl+K, install Convertify from Plugins and Widgets, launch the plugin through right-clicking Manage Plugins, pick Import and Optimize SVG to Figma, and select your file. It's a simple workflow, but it can really smooth out your projects and help you get more from both your SVG files and Figma itself. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. It helps more folks find these tips. Drop a comment below if you ran into any issues or if you have questions about working with SVGs in Figma. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.